Okay, here we are, and the snow is coming down faster and harder, and I think it may not be picking up on the camera, but George and Fiona are definitely puzzled. This is more snow than they've ever seen in their lifetime, and it is still continuing to come down, and they're quite surprised by it. This is an amazing event here in Texas, probably almost equal to the one almost 10 years ago where we got 12 inches. And it just keeps coming down and down, and there's no stopping it for the next few hours. Who knows what this is going to look like by tomorrow morning. Unfortunately, having dogs, here's Fiona trying to eat some snow, but maybe back out here later tonight and taking another walk with these two before bed. But they're just a little confused at the moment of what to do. Oh, George trying to eat some snow, and Fiona still looking around too. But it's really becoming pretty significant, and we're gonna try to go inside now and warm up. You eating some snow, George? You trying to eat the snow? Well, why don't we go inside now, okay? It's very cold out, okay? It's very cold, so we'll go inside, okay? Let's go inside.